po, Sir Antonio. Thank
Where
you
do-
po.
Have a seat po. Hi, sir. Good morning. Siya si Sir Ron Oriel Villa Gonzalo. Yan.
Yes, ma'am.
Ano ang ating dala po? Anong kalakal natin?
Kalakal, you know. It's about tech, diba? So, if you want to talk about apps and yung mga programs now, we can also do that. I have tech gadgets here. We can merge it naman eh. So, I think one of the problems in the past few years is piracy, diba? People buy pirated CDs, DVDs, pero I haven't bought one in the last 7 years. So, hindi na kailangan.
I think we're all guilty at some point.
Yeah, I'm pretty
Diba?
sure everyone's done it at one time or another. So now, with all the advent of technology, hindi na natin kailangan eh. So I'm pretty sure you guys might have heard about Deezer, Spotify, Spinner. Spotify. So I personally use Spotify every day. Actually, yun yung bumubuhay sa akin pag bumabiyahe and everything else because of the music. Kasi if you go outside Manila, wala nang radio station na favorites natin. So Spotify is a music streaming, diba? There's two kinds, the free and the paid. So yung paid, I think it's $2.99 per month para you can download the music and everything else. So hindi na natin kailangan dati uso yung panahon namin. Yung bibili ka ng CD, i-rip mo, tapos lalagay mo, i-burn mo ulit, tapos umabot sa panahon, ilalagay mo sa MP3. Now you don't
Panahon ko rin yan.
Panahon mo.
Nag-burn pa ako
So ngayon, hindi na, umabot pa kayo doon. Kasi parang, so hindi mo na kailangan yun ngayon eh, di ba? So ngayon, you just use your smartphones, mag-login ka sa Spotify, turn on your internet, buhay ka na. Flip side nun ngayon, may bagong lumabas. It just launched a couple of months ago. Si Hook, H-O-O-Q. It's a service from one of the telcos here. I won't mention, baka hindi ko pwedeng banggitin. It's video streaming naman siya. So it's based out in Singapore. They partnered here in the Philippines with the telco. So you can watch old movies and new movies and series.
That's for free?
It's $1.99 per month. And you can watch as much as you want the whole day as long as you have internet access. Wala kang problema.
The problem kasi, sir, minsan yun sa mga ganyan na, yung mga paid apps, sa una free, tapos kailangan mo mag-upgrade so you have to pay.
Yeah.
Tapos ang nangyayari din, pay ka, kailangan mo ilagay yung credit card mo. Sometimes kasi yung mga company, parang they put hidden charges. Tapos magugulat ka na lang, ito na yung bill ko. So ano yung mga mag-a-advise mo?
Regarding sa credit cards, both telcos in the Philippines have their own products. Me, I personally use GCash.
That's nice.
So, pwede yun sa online. They also there's a way for you to get yung GCash, yung magkakaroon ka ng American Express card, yung credit card ng American Express, magkakaroon ka ng card number nun. So, you can use that for purchasing everything online. Yung apps naman, you can also charge it to your bill. So, ng phone. So, pag mayroon naman erroneous billing, you can just call them up and
Para i-dispute
Pero if you linked it like what I did, I linked it to my GCash, sa debit card. So, pag walang load, pag walang cash, wala silang makakain. Pero most of the apps naman ngayon, pag sinabi nilang, ngayon hindi na uso yung mahal na apps like our services, like si Microsoft before, yung mga OS niya.
Oo, yung mga nasa CD pa.
3,000 to 5,000. Pero good news for all Microsoft users, sabi nila, si Windows 10, the new version will be free for everyone. Up to a certain extent. Tapos if parang sinabanggit nyo nga, you need to subscribe para you get the updates and everything else. But as far as we know, they haven't released any of the specific details about that kung paano. Pero if you want na makatipid, like sa amin sa office, kasi if you have 30 PCs, you need to buy 30 Microsoft licenses. That's expensive. At 3,000, that's 90,000 pesos each. So you have some options on how to work with it. Depende naman kung ano yung gagawin ng tao eh. So if it's yung usual word processing and everything else, you can either go through Ubuntu. It's a Linux version, so it's open source. Yung mga hardcore tech dyan, alam nila yon. So para din siyang Windows OS siya. It's yung interface lang is different. Ang maganda dito, it's completely free. And kung medyo techy ka, you can actually install it in a PC in about 10-15 minutes, tapos ka na. Yung sumunod, ito
ano
ngayon.
Ano naman yan? Sige.
Si Chrome. It's the brand, the laptop I have is from Acer. They have this new OS, it's under Google si Chrome. So what they did, tinanggal nila yung bloat, yung maraming systems to ano. This laptop can boot up in 2 seconds, 2 to 3 seconds. Tapos, ang battery life niya, gustong-gusto ko, for Chrome, it's about 8 hours. The reason is, tinanggal nila yung maraming programs that eat up a lot of battery. Kasi like, even with the phones, pag marami ka nakalagay, di ba, lakas kumain.
3 hours at most.
Yeah. Tapos, in terms of productivity naman, everything's linked to Google. Gmail, Google Docs, spreadsheets, Google Word, Google Drive. So, ano siya, in terms, magaan yung system, operating system. So, hindi malakas kumain ng battery. And it's free. You can also download the operating system. You can install it even in your old PC. Para may option ka to use either Windows, Ubuntu, or the Chrome. Ano.
As long as it is compatible.
Yes, as long as it's compatible. So, marami nang nagbago eh. For if you're using naman a standard PC, ayaw mong bumili ng Microsoft Office. Kasi mahal. Andiyan si Kingsoft. For Android users pala, Kingsoft is a freeware na I actually use it sa tablet ko. Yun,
Pero
katulad
paano
siya
yung speed niya? Hindi ba yun medyo mabagal?
There are some, of course, the original ones, the paid ones are
Siyempre,
better.
pag sanay ka na sa mga app, yung mga Apple tsaka yung mga Microsoft, mabibili, isang click mo lang.
No, the new
Yung
tablets,
Kingsoft, okay naman.
the Kingsoft will depend on the speed of the tablet that you're using. So just make sure that you use something that's up to date. Lollipop na ngayon, yung mga high-end sila, yung mga malalaki, they're in the Lollipop. Pero kasi we have in the Philippines, parang I think 30% ng sales na ng tablets and mobile phones are not from the big guys, it's from the small guys na eh. The small guys now, madami dyan, mga locally owned companies. Na sila, nasa KitKat yung version. So it's the one before the Lollipop. Yung Lollipop naman just came out a couple of months ago. And there's only a couple of phones that are showing. I believe one of the
Cotton
guests...
candy, wala ba?
Wala pa. Kasi I saw before, isa sa mga guests nyo brought the Android one eh. So that's a Lollipop version na. Pero most of the other local players, yung mga ibang phones nila nasa lower version pa. As long as you're using that and maganda yung RAM, it's about try to find a phone that at least has 1 gig RAM.
Mabilis naman.
Okay na yun.
User-friendly naman itong mga to.
Yes.
Madali siya matutunan.
I'm a hardcore Microsoft user for how many years in the PC. And lately, I shifted to the tablet, to the Android. Mainly because ang bigat ng laptop ko, Jurassic eh. Malaking ganyan na laptop. So, ayoko na. So, I started carrying a tablet. So, bumili lang ako ng
keyboard.
Yung keyboard na
na-attach siya.
Kasi I didn't want the bat-powered one kasi it's useless. Lagi ako nasa labas eh. So pag nasa labas, naglobat yung ano mo, you can't carry a lot of power banks. It's heavy. So
defeats the purpose.
Defeats the purpose. If you have 2 or 3 devices, ang hirap naman, ang dami mong i-charge din.
Now, sir, for more tech reviews and blogs, saan kanila pwedeng mabisit?
The blog site that we have is wapinas.com. It's W-A-H-P-I...
Wapinas.
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 WAHPINAS.com. It stands for Work at Home Pinas.
There you go. Ayan. Naka-flash naman sa ating screen. Wapinas.
Wapinas.com. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much.
Si Mr. Ron Oriel Villar.